The big question I've been hearing from lawyers this week is how do I migrate off ChatGPT onto a new AI model? And I'm going to show you how you can do that in just 3 easy steps. Firstly, you're going to want to click on the link below so that you can access this prompt and this document. Once you've opened up this document, you'll see that I'm switching across to Claude, but you can use this for any AI model. Skip down to your exact prompt. So here's what you're going to want to cut and paste and put into your existing AI model. For me, it's ChatGPT. So if I switch across to ChatGPT, I've opened up a new chat and I've cut and pasted the prompt in there. The output that I get is incredibly lengthy and incredibly detailed and has a lot of the history, background, and context as to how I like to interact with my AI models. Once you have this output, you're going to want to switch across to the model that you're going to start adopting. So for me, given that this is Claude, you're going to want to click on Claude, Settings, General, and underneath your profile, there is a section marked what personal preferences should Claude consider in responses. I've pasted the output in here. As you can see, it's incredibly lengthy and gives a lot of great detail to my new AI model. Once you've pasted that in, scroll right to the very bottom, and you're going to see Save Changes. Well, mine doesn't have it because I've already saved these changes. Let's add a space, Save Changes. Perfect. Once I click back into my chat, I'm going to go to a new chat. I'm going to ask, who am I and how do I like to be interacted with? Given that I've only been using Claude for the last couple of months extensively, this is really great background for my Claude model. I'm Matt Eddy, founder of Everingham Legal. I'm building a serious, durable advisory business. How I like to be interacted with, treat me as a peer-level thinker, not a client who needs hand-holding. So this is a really great way to extract all of the information from your current AI model, paste it into a new AI model that you're more comfortable with using. Good luck.